Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a specific issue, an Android phone hanging up immediately after dialing. Making and receiving calls are now indispensable functions for people. Indeed, they have become some of the most critical features on any smart device. This is because calling capabilities allow family, friends, and anyone else needing to reach you to quickly obtain the information they require, thereby significantly boosting communication efficiency. However, some users have reported malfunctions with their phone functions. Specifically, their Android phone automatically hangs up right after dialing. For some users, this problem seems to appear out of thin air. They were able to dial normally just yesterday or even earlier. If your Android device is experiencing this same issue, don't panic. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to fix an Android phone that hangs up immediately after dialing. Please try all the solutions listed below with patience. This video is applicable to various phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand the potential reasons why an Android phone might hang up immediately after dialing. Generally speaking, there are several common causes for an Android call ending immediately after dialing. 1. Network issues. A stable network connection is essential for making calls, otherwise, your device is very likely to fail to dial out. 2. Loose or dirty SIM card. A loose SIM card, or one that has accumulated dirt or grime, can also prevent your device from successfully making a call. 3. Expired service or insufficient plan. If your SIM card service has expired or your current mobile plan is insufficient, your Android phone naturally won't be able to make calls. 4. Network congestion or glitches. Connecting to too many networks simultaneously, or encountering general network glitches, can also cause an Android call to end immediately after you press the dial button. Now that we've covered the reasons why an Android phone might automatically hang up when you try to call someone, it's time to learn how to fix this issue. We've researched and tested several methods, which we've listed below. Please try each of these methods patiently. We are confident that at least one of them will help you resolve the problem. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method worked for you. Method 1. Check your network connection. A strong network connection is absolutely crucial for making calls. When you are located in an area with good signal coverage, your Android device should be able to make and receive calls without any issues. However, if you are in an area with weak signal coverage, you may encounter an issue where phone calls disconnect immediately after dialing. To resolve this, please ensure that you are currently located in an area with good signal reception. If you are abroad, please verify that international roaming is enabled and that your mobile carrier supports service in that region. Additionally, you can try toggling airplane mode to prevent your Android phone from hanging up immediately after dialing. Turn on airplane mode, wait for 1 minute, and then turn it off again. This simple step may help resolve the issue. Method 2. Restart your phone. Software glitches on Android devices can sometimes cause the phone to hang up calls automatically. The best and simplest way to resolve such software malfunctions is to restart your Android device. Restarting your phone clears out any temporary software glitches present in the system, making it a worthwhile troubleshooting step. To restart your Android phone, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the restart menu appears on the screen. Tap the restart icon within the menu, and your phone will begin the reboot process. Wait patiently for the restart to complete. Once finished, try making a phone call again to verify that dialing functionality has returned to normal. Method 3. Check your SIM card. If your SIM card is loose or dirty, your Android phone may fail to properly recognize it, leading to calls hanging up automatically shortly after dialing. To troubleshoot this issue, you need to remove the SIM card to verify that it is installed correctly and to ensure it is clean. Here is how to do it. First, turn off your phone. Next, use a SIM ejection tool, or a small paperclip, to press into the small hole next to the SIM card tray to eject it. Remove the SIM card and inspect it for any visible signs of damage. If there is no obvious damage, use a dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the SIM card, and then reinsert it correctly into the tray. If this resolves the issue, where your Android phone keeps hanging up during calls, then the problem was likely caused by a loose or dirty SIM card. If the problem persists, check whether your mobile carrier service has expired or if you have insufficient credit/balance. Issues with carrier service or a low account balance can also cause an Android phone to hang up immediately after dialing. Method 4. Disable Wi-Fi calling. The Wi-Fi calling feature allows you to make and receive calls in areas with weak cellular coverage. However, this feature can sometimes interfere with call handling, potentially causing incoming calls to disconnect immediately the moment you attempt to answer them. The Wi-Fi calling feature may conflict with your phone's standard call receiving functions, potentially causing incoming calls to end immediately after being answered. Therefore, please check your settings and disable the Wi-Fi calling feature. To disable Wi-Fi calling on Android, open the Settings app, then locate and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Next, tap on Wi-Fi calling asterisk. Check to see if the feature is currently enabled. If it is, toggle the switch to turn it off. Finally, verify whether you are now able to make and receive calls successfully. Method 5. Reset network settings. If the issue, where your Android phone immediately hangs up when you try to call someone, persists, try resetting your network settings. Performing this action will delete all saved network connection information on your Android device, including Bluetooth device pairings and network carrier settings. Consequently, resetting network settings is an effective solution for resolving issues where an Android phone hangs up as soon as a number is dialed. To reset your network settings, please follow the steps below. 1. Tap Settings on your home screen. 2. Swipe up to scroll down, then locate and tap General Management. 3. Locate and tap Reset. 4. On the subsequent screen, find and tap Reset Network Settings. 5. Select the specific SIM card you wish to reset, then tap Reset Settings. Once completed, your Android device's network configurations will be restored to their default state, and the problem of the phone hanging up immediately after dialing should be resolved. Method 6. Contact your carrier. If the issue, where the phone hangs up the moment a call begins, persists even after resetting your network settings, the problem may lie with your carrier or the SIM card itself. Your best course of action is to contact your carrier's customer support or visit a local carrier store in person. Their staff can assist you in further troubleshooting and resolving the technical fault that causes your phone to hang up immediately whenever you or someone else attempts to make a call. That concludes today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you have any suggestions for how we can improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We wish you the best of luck.